So my name is Marissa Robinson, and this is Batman. He is my 14-year-old very best friend. I've had him since he was 5 weeks old. He's always been a very good, obedient dog, highly spirited, loves to run and play. He's friendly with kids. And, as we get older, things change and our bodies move slower. We have lower energy. And so he started to have problems going up and down the steps, and he has fallen quite a few times. And we started using Honest Paws from the recommendation of a neighbor. Our neighbor saw us not walking as much around the neighborhood. They said, hey, try these treats that we give our dog Queenie. It helps her feel good and keeps her energized. After using the product a few times, I noticed a difference in him immediately. It has definitely helped his mobility. He's ready to go. He was over his leash. He just had a good pep in his step, and he seemed like himself. It really helped him. I was glad it was natural. I love having a veterinary dog. I love having a dog in every season. Batman's my first and only pet. I've never had a pet growing up. So watching him go through life as I go through life has been like the greatest honor. To me, he got the time. Yeah, that made a lifetime subscription. Everybody likes to tell me, have you tried this for me? We tried that for me. I think we got it. I think we got it. Honest Paws has been a keeper. So if everything works and feels better with Honest Paws, then we're good.
I thought I saw a smile.